you by thesis123.com. I learn and teach online.
Here's the next question, number 22. The figure shows the per phase equivalent circuit of a two-pole three-phase induction motor operating at 50 Hz. The air gap voltage Vg across the magnetizing inductance is 210 volts RMS and the slip S is 0.05. The torque in Newton meters produced by the motor is dash. Okay, in order to find out the torque, we would need power. And in order to find out the power, we need the current. So we have a couple of steps to follow here. We'll begin with the diagram in which we see here the resistance given as 0.05 divided by S. Now the slip is given as 0.05. So at 0.05, we have the resistance here as 1 ohm. Now we have Vg as well. Vg is given as 210 volts. Let's find out what the rotor current is. Rotor current I. Okay. Rotor current I would equal to Vg, that's the voltage of the air gap here, divided by, what do we have here? We need to take this into consideration because the current, the rotor current is through this branch here. So it is Vg divided by the equivalent resistance here, 1 plus J.22. Make sense? I hope so. So here Vg is 210 divided by 1 plus J.22. Now it helps in converting this into polar coordinates. So once you solve and convert the rectangular coordinates into polar, you should get a value of 205.09 with an angle of minus 12.40. Now we do this because we are going to take the magnitude alone of the current. Okay, so let's work on the power now. Since we have the magnitude of current as 205.09, let's calculate the power. Now the power for, now here it shows that this is two-pole three-phase induction motor. So our power is going to have a formula of 3I square R. Now I is the magnitude of what we have just found, 205.09. So 3 into 205.09 square into R is 1. Now once you solve this, you should get a value of 126185.72. Yes, quite a large number, but this is correct. So this is the power. Okay, now the next step is to find out the torque, because we know that torque is the ratio of power to angular frequency, isn't it? Torque equals power divided by angular frequency. Now power, we have found it as a value of 126185.72 divided by omega. You know very well that omega is 2 pi f. So let's substitute the values. 126185.72 divided by 2 into 3.14 into frequency 50. Once you solve this, you should get a value of 401.66 Newton meter. So in this case, you will have to remember the formula torque is equal to power divided by omega. You would also have to remember the formula power is equal to 3I square R. Torque is equal to power by omega. Right. Okay, so these are the important formulas and this is the explanation. The answer is 401.66. So 401.66. Well, I hope the explanation has helped.
Thank you for watching this video. For future videos, please click here to subscribe YouTube channel. Visit our site thesis123.com for free student project or research ideas and online training. Follow us Facebook, Twitter, Google+ and Pinterest.